It's the start of 2021, the month of January, and with that comes New Year's resolutions for a lot of us. And I would imagine that if you clicked on this video, earning more money is one of your goals for this year. And side hustles are an awesome way for you to put a little bit more cash into your pocket, or better yet, cash into your investment portfolio.
Yeah, that's right. We're all looking for a little bit extra cash. So these are things that you can do outside of your 9 to 5 to earn that cash.
And the way that we typically define side hustles as opposed to passive income is that side hustles are things that will typically require an investment of your time, where passive income typically requires an investment of your money.
Yeah,
so with that, let's get started. Let's talk a little bit about 10 side hustles that you can do in 2021. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 side hustles that you can do in 2021. And not only that, we will be sure to link the websites that you need to go to in order to get started with these side hustles. So if any of them seem of interest to you, you can dig into them right away and get started with earning more cash in 2021. Let's kick this list off with side hustle number 1. It's a tried and true side hustle that's been around for a very long time, and that is teaching or tutoring online.
So most of us have interests that people would like to learn. These might include teaching people how to speak English, knitting, playing guitar. These are all things that people are interested to do, and maybe you can teach somebody to do those things, and they'll pay you to do those.
That's absolutely right, and there are so many online platforms now that connect teachers and tutors with students. We will link a few of the top ones below, but there are so many opportunities, and I guarantee that you have a skill or a knowledge that somebody else is interested to learn, and if you want to share it, that's a great way that you can earn a bit of money.
Side hustle number 2. You can use your car to give rides.
Yep, just like on Uber or Lyft.
You can deliver food on Postmates.
And you can also rent your car out. So just like people rent their houses on Airbnb, there are apps that allow you to connect with people who need to borrow your car for a period of time.
Well, that's nice. Obviously, you need to have a car to be able to do this, so that is a requirement.
But if you have a car and you're willing to use it, this is a great way for you to have a side hustle.
Side hustle number 3. Complete tasks on TaskRabbit.
So in case you haven't heard, TaskRabbit is a website and an app where you can go to find odd jobs that people need doing. You get to pick what you want to do and earn a little bit of cash on the side.
All right, so side hustle number 4. It's freelance writing, editing, or transcripting.
So if you are good at speaking English, there are a ton of opportunities for you in this area. So when it comes to writing, obviously that's pretty self-explanatory. It's writing articles, writing blogs on behalf of other people. Editing is things like proofreading for spelling, for sentence structure, and for grammar. And being a transcriptor is essentially just listening or watching an event that's happening and typing it out. So especially if you're a native English speaker, there are tons of international companies that are looking for these kind of people. So there's a great opportunity, and if it's something you're interested in, there are lots of different venues that you can use to connect your services to people and companies in need.
Yeah, so obviously one of the things that we are obviously interested in is the stock market. So transcriptors are always used to listen to things like earnings calls that are given by the CEO, and they transcript it so that people can come back later and read through it.
Yeah, absolutely. Side hustle number 5, flipping.
And we're not talking about cartwheeling or houses.
That's right. When we were researching this video, I found that there was lots of markets for flipping things like used furniture, antique clothing, appliances, cars. Now, of course, you need a little bit of money and also a little bit of time to put into these things. But if you compare it to the capital that you would need to flip a house, flipping a car or even flipping a nice piece of furniture is something that requires a lot less cash and can still generate income for yourself.
You can take something, put a little bit of money into it, put a little bit of effort into it, and turn it into something nice that you can sell for a profit.
Absolutely, and who doesn't like taking something and restoring it, making it new, and bringing value to another person? Side hustle number 6, sitting. Pretty self-explanatory. Babysitting, house sitting, pet sitting.
All right, so side hustle number 7, give your opinion.
Yep, that's right. People are willing to pay you just to hear your opinion about things. This can include things like taking online surveys, being part of focus groups, or even testing out products as either an actual physical product or as an online user. So if you're opinionated and you like to do things, this could be a great opportunity for you to make a little extra money.
Yeah. Okay, so side hustle number 8, create content. So this could be starting a YouTube channel, starting a podcast, writing articles or blogs.
Absolutely, there are so many opportunities and different ways that you can create content. With everything that's going on in the world, people want information, they want new knowledge, they want to connect with people. So if you have been thinking about creating content for a while, why don't you take this opportunity and dive right in and get started this year? Side hustle number 9. Create an Etsy shop. Now, we've been talking a lot about creativity in this video, but this one is especially up you artistic and creative people's alley. Now, if you haven't already checked out Etsy, get onto that website. There are so many cute little things that you can make, that you can sell, and that people are interested to buy. Everything from jewelry to wedding supplies, that's a huge industry, to little niche things. If you have good handwriting, once a year around Christmas time, you can do letters from Santa specifically for people's kids. There are so many things out there you wouldn't believe. If this is something that you have even a little bit of interest in, I would strongly encourage you to check it out and see what you could offer to sell to people who want to buy handcrafted things.
Okay, so side hustle number 10, host an Airbnb virtual experience.
That's right. So with everything that's going on and people not being able to travel, Airbnb is doing really well with these virtual experiences. So people still want to connect, people still want to feel like they're having a unique experience. And I was reading about people who are literally making bank. There is this one girl who made $20,000 in a month from doing tarot card readings. So I saw tarot card readings, pasta making, all kinds of different stuff out there. So if you are a little bit personable and you want to host a virtual experience, check out the platform, see what you can offer, and see if you can make a little money from it. All right, guys, that's it for our list of 10 side hustles that you can do in 2021. But before we sign off, we just want to emphasize how important earning more is for your financial future.
Yeah, obviously this is a channel that is dedicated to a 3-step process. Earn more, spend less, invest the rest. This is where that starts. This is where these side hustles come into play so that you can earn more, so you can save more, and you can have a little bit extra cash to invest.
Absolutely, and if you use these side hustles to earn even as little as an extra $100 a month, you'll be amazed at how much that money will add up, and when you start applying the investment principles, you will see that compounding growth. So with that, we wish you the best of luck. We hope that you found this video useful. If you did, let us know by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and as always, we welcome your feedback in the comments. Let us know what you're interested to see in our future videos and what you think of the channel. Remember, earn more, spend less, and invest the rest, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.